Join us in this delicious cooking adventure as we prepare Herbed Chicken Marsala. This classic Italian dish features tender chicken breasts simmered in a rich and flavorful Marsala wine sauce, complemented by a medley of fresh herbs and sauteed mushrooms. Perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion, this recipe is easy to follow and sure to impress your family and friends. In this video, you will learn how to properly season and cook chicken for maximum flavor, the technique for making a silky, rich masala sauce, tips for selecting the best herbs and mushrooms to enhance your dish. Ingredients: chicken breast, Marsala wine, fresh herbs, thyme, parsley, mushrooms, garlic, olive oil, chicken broth, salt and pepper. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Smother it in low-calorie sauteed mushrooms and sun-dried tomatoes. This dish is both healthy and satisfying. A little bit of butter goes a long way in the sauce, just touch adds creamy richness. Ingredients: select all 4-ounce boneless, skinless chicken breast cutlets, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper, 1/3 cup, whole wheat flour, 1.5 tablespoons, extra virgin olive oil, 3/4 cup, low sodium chicken broth, 1/3 cup, sun-dried tomatoes. Top it in oil, not rehydrated, finely chopped or very thinly sliced, a half teaspoon finely chopped rosemary, 10 times white, butter or cremini, baby bella, mushrooms. Slice 1/3 cup sweet masala wine, 2 teaspoons unsalted butter, 1 to 2 tablespoons roughly chopped flat leaf parsley. Directions: Step 1. Place the chicken cutlets between 2 pieces of plastic wrap and pound with a meat mallet or the flat side of a chef's knife until about 1/3 inch thick. Sprinkle with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Step 2. Put the flour on a medium plate. Heat the oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Dredge the chicken in the flour to fully coat, shaking off any excess. Add the chicken to the skillet and fry until fully cooked and golden brown, about 4 minutes per side. Transfer to a platter and tent with foil to keep warm. Step 3. Add a half cup of the broth, the sun-dried tomatoes and rosemary to any remaining drippings in the skillet and cook, stirring frequently for firmly. Add the mushrooms, 1/4 teaspoon salt and a half teaspoon pepper, and cook until the mushrooms are soft, about 5 minutes. Add the masala and bring to a boil. Add the remaining 1/4 cup broth and the butter and simmer until the butter is fully melted, about 30 seconds. Step 4. Spoon the mushroom mixture and sauce over the chicken. Sprinkle with the parsley and serve. Cookers note this recipe uses regular whole wheat household flour, but for a slightly more refined coating, whole wheat pastry flour can be substituted.